We are at the RV Super Show at State Farm Stadium
in Glendale, Arizona.
Home of the Arizona Cardinals. Yes. And Dawn is dressing appropriately, wearing her Green Bay Packer shirt.
Green Bay.
If I would have thought about it, I would have worn mine too.
Green Bay.
But we're going to check out some rigs and see what's new for 2020.
Yeah.
All right,
so
let's take a
along
look.
If you're looking for an RV, maybe we'll find something here that might interest you. Wow, that's
Notice the metal detectors aren't working today. They got so many retirees. There's so many metal parts in their joints. It was sick.
That's really no. Wow. Really?
Sorry.
Don't forget, you have metal in you too.
I know I do. I know I do. So here we go.
Down we go.
I think we're going down to field level. Whoops.
Yeah, there we go.
Do it next week.
This is awesome.
Right. Either that or we are hopelessly getting lost.
Well, there's a lot of people coming up this way though, so
well,
I guess switch out my glasses.
You never know.
It's indoors.
They may have messed it up too, though. They may have gone the wrong way.
Well, I hope not.
Where are we?
I can't look up.
Oh, that is cool.
I gotta switch out my glasses.
Watch your step. Watch your step.
It is indoors, which is really cool.
All right. Well, if nothing else, we're going to the Big Red Brew House.
And the stadium staff.
And stadium staff. Ooh, nice big breeze.
Could stand here for a little bit.
Okay, we're going out through the tunnel, so if we were a football player, this is where we would be. I'm not even sure if this is too dark and we can even see in here, so this is pretty cool.
Very cool.
Oh,
This is really awesome.
I don't know, I like Lambeau Field better.
Yes, Lambeau's much better.
Gotta say that. I don't want to say it too loud. I might get kicked out. Okay, here we go. Chuyo running out and have fireworks go off.
Look at this. This is a
Whoa, this is cool.
Stadium. Oh my god.
I know. This is cool.
This is beautiful. Wow.
It's got a roof.
Wow.
Yeah.
YouTube bomb.
Yeah, thank you.
How you guys doing?
All right, we're going to check out this Heartland fifth wheel. This is a big boy.
Big boy.
Looks like it's all set up. That's got to be at least 4 batteries in there. Set up for a generator. Crazy size storage.
I love the colors.
That is. My favorite thing though is back here. That's not a bad price.
No, 72.
72 for this?
This is La Mesa.
What year is this? You there? What year is this?
Storage solutions.
That is awesome.
Out.
You can find everything. I love the storage.
Look at this. You just lift this up and how easy this comes out.
I love the storage.
See?
Once
Look
you-
at this. You just lift.
Yep, and slide.
It comes out and slides.
Oh.
Look at this. It's a slide.
That is cool.
Ladies, we don't have to do that.
That is cool. That is so cool. 5, 6 slides? 5 slides. 1, 2, and then 3 on the other side. 5 slides. Let's look inside this thing.
Okay, so it has a center kitchen.
Oh, that's cool. Oh my
and
gosh.
the living room.
Back living area. That's awesome.
It has a TV in the kitchen and in the living room. Is that not amazing? This is great.
I'm impressed with the price. That
I'm very
is,
impressed with the price.
that's insane.
It has a coffee table. Wow, all kinds. Oh wow, look, you have all kinds of push button things here, which is kind of interesting. So you can operate a bunch of stuff here. I love the windows. The windows aren't very big though. You don't have a lot of window viewing.
Fireplace, which is a
Area.
nice big TV. Theater seats. Tons of storage. Man, this thing's got to be over.
I like this because these
This has got to be over
windows,
40.
look at this. They're like a, you don't have to
Oh, yeah.
try and pull
What's wrong with this? Why is it so low price-wise? That's pretty awesome.
Well, it has a few little things. Not bad.
Pretty good. I mean, you had so much other storage all the way
Yeah,
around.
you
Look
do.
at all the extra storage.
Which is
Storage
nice.
down here.
Which is nice. Look
Up
at this.
above.
A place you can actually put, you know, silverware and things. Your little trash can.
Oh,
you
no,
got
there's
drawers
doors.
here. Look at this to pull out. It's already set up for your silverware, which is amazing. Okay. So that's really cool. Bath. Not a lot of storage in the bath. That's okay.
Well, you got
Goodness.
underneath. Slightly smaller than ours, but not bad. Oh, holy cow.
Wow. Okay.
Huge dresser in the bedroom. Huge TV in the bedroom.
And a massive walk-in closet.
This looks like a
Okay.
king-size bed. Let me check the closet.
You were going to be amazed at the closet.
Oh my goodness. We have a closet that wraps around. Oh, nice. And a safe. Cool.
Nice.
That is a huge
Now,
closet.
here's what I like. Really nice sized windows on the other
Oh, you
side
got
of
the little
bed.
tables on the
You
sides.
have this that isn't
Yeah.
knocking your crap off.
Yeah, it's high enough too. You're not going to be knocking it over. And USB on one side.
I like this.
Ducted air, but how many air? There's no direct air in the bedroom, it looks like, but there is ducted air throughout. That is very impressive.
Look at this. The accent. It like it gives you that 3D kind of.
Oh, very cool.
That is very, very cool.
Ooh, 3D.
Very cool.
All right, very nice. I'm impressed with this one. This is a cool one. Okay, so this one is the Heartland Landmark 365, the 2019. I'm taking a wild guess. It's at least 40 feet. This is a long fifth wheel.
Oh, look at this. This is beautiful. The light.
86, that's cool.
Everything's going new to the new lighter wood.
76 for this one.
Yeah, here's our issue. Okay.
What's wrong? Oh, yeah. Yeah, reach.
But I do like the very light wood.
Oh, wow.
Just the opposite. You have the lighter
This is
woods.
bright.
You know, the lighter woods as opposed to the darker furniture.
Yeah, I like the contrast. This
I like
is nice.
the contrast. And the big windows.
Holy cow, this is nice.
This is very nice. Very modern setup. You have a bit of storage, which is nice. Some nice storage.
Now this one, let's get the model.
Yeah.
This is the 2020 Vilano 320 GK. We'll just call it that.
This is nice.
The Vilano 320 GK. That's a big
You know,
pantry and cupboard area.
this is
Is it gas electric or just electric?
power cool, power ice off.
So it looks like it's probably
It
a
looks
residential.
Like it's a residential.
Yeah, residential fridge.
Yeah, but this is beautiful. Look at this.
Oh, that's definitely residential
This is
fridge.
residential fridge.
Yeah.
So, but I do like the contrast of the coloring. Okay, this is interesting. You have a bidet.
Oh, jeez.
Okay.
Spray the backside.
Oh, and I just got.
Ew, I wouldn't touch it.
No, it's like a glue or something.
Oh. Yeah, let's go with that. Let's call it glue.
Okay. Right. Oh wow. Okay. This is nice.
Oh, the lights. We'll get that. This is very similar, just a lighter color. Very similar layout than the other Vilano.
I like
Only
the
this
lighter
is a queen
color.
bed.
Yeah. But I do like the lighter color, which is nice. I'm gonna find something to light this up with.
Oh, the slides for the right here. Very cool.
I don't have anything to wipe this off with.
Fine. Ooh. We're going through the Bighorn country. Bighorn. This is a $49,000 Bighorn. That's actually a pretty good price. By Heartland Bighorn.
Okay, now.
2020.
I have my issue.
Yeah. Nice wide steps, but handle is so far away.
This is an interesting layout.
My toe caught that first step. Oh, this is kind of interesting. A little different.
A little different. Agreed.
Ceiling fan, lighting's not bad. Residential fridge again. Theater seats.
You know.
Across from the TV. Yeah, but this one has like that little desk thing in the back, which is kind of cool. I've always kind of liked that plan.
Now this is,
Awfully
okay,
dark.
this has a double sink in the bathroom,
Oops.
which is nice. But look
Yeah.
how close
Oh,
the
cool.
toilet is to the shower.
Oh, geez.
King size bed. Again,
It's a little tight.
a walk-in closet kind of thing.
This is cool. This is really cool. Yeah, I mean, this is good.
That over there.
This is similar to us. I like it on the outside, though. I'm not, with ours having it on the inside, I lost closet space because of it.
Yeah.
So it's nice having it on the outside and not on the inside. That is, the one we just looked at is the 2020 Bighorn 3470 MK. MK, yes. and this is the 32 GK. This is the Bighorn 32 GK. Nice big understorage though. That is tall. I like the big undercarriage, understorage. Well, I don't know. I always felt you lose space when you put your. Why would you put your theater seating? Well, you got 2 theater seats, I
Both
guess.
of them are theater seating, which is
You got theater seats here.
And
There's the
looks like
TV.
you can adjust everything here.
And
which
theater
is
seats
kinda
here. Well, that's good. But if you have people
Look at
over,
this. Instead of me having to pull a little knob, look at this. Check this out.
yeah, we could always get the electric though.
That's nice.
We can always add electric
I like
if we
that.
wanted it.
I like that. And you do have these issues with the bridge.
Oops. Yep, panel. Electric panel. Oops. And king or queen? Boy, it's hard to tell on this one. Could be a standard queen. And a nice deep closet that you can't really see it because no lights. Cool. Yeah, pretty much the same what we've got. It looks identical, well, almost identical. Not sure how the shelf would work. Because you've got the coat, the towel hangers. I think they're too close to the toilet. Winnebago 29 mid bunkhouse, MBH. I want to see the mid bunkhouse. So here's the mid bunk. Probably should stand back to get this.
Wow.
But you do have the bunk bed up above and the couch below. So come in. It's a
Okay, so
small
here's the office.
desk, place for the computer. So it's a small bunkhouse, but a bunkhouse nonetheless.
I don't necessarily like the seating for watching TV.
Oh,
It's a
horrible.
small kitchen,
This is horrible
and
setup.
then you're looking out. really
Yeah,
good.
horrible setup. This feels more like a
Yeah.
trailer and not like a home. I want the home feel, not the trailer feel.
Single fridge.
It is a shorter rig. I'm going to take a guess. We're probably in the 30 to 35 foot range.
Walk through from the bathroom, which is nice.
Yeah, because you got the, you don't have the pop,
Yeah, you don't have
or you do have, do you have a pop out? No pop out.
no top.
No, yes you do. That is a pop out, but it's a wardrobe pop out.
Yeah. So it's
So, yeah. Nope.
I mean, it's great if you're not full furnished. It would be
And if you need to
nice.
sleep a lot of people.
Yeah.
If you need
Kids
to,
should have their own playroom kind of thing.
as far as mid bunkhouse, I'm still totally sold on the reflection.
Yeah.
If they've got it here, we will definitely check it out. We love the reflection mid bunkhouse.
I believe.
Okay, this one's kind of off in the dark here, but the Winnebago Grand Tour. This is one big rig.
Oh, this is interesting. It's an
Is that a
induction.
cooktop?
An It's an induction.
Wow.
And then you have your
Tons of storage. Tons of storage all the way around. Sliders for the storage. By the way, did we mention this is at a meager price of $260,000. Let's check out the inside.
Wow.
Jeez.
Whoa.
Marble floor. Lighted ceiling. It's basically
Everything. This is really cool because it's induction. It's not gas or necessarily electric, but it has the induction, which is really very cool.
so this basically is a Las Vegas casino on wheels, it looks like. Look at this.
Wow.
Cabinetry, very rich looking. I love the detail on the woodwork. That is very cool.
I like the little
Super
shower
slide on
thing
the
up
side.
here, which is nice.
Man.
Your double sinks.
Is this the, I got a feeling, yeah, this is just a front bathroom.
Again, it looks like you have a
Oh, it's definitely a residential fridge.
residential fridge.
Definitely residential.
Oh, spice rack or whatever. Here.
Nice. This is the bedroom, so it's wide open, but you got the barn door.
And you have a. This is a. Yes, bed.
It's an over-the-top, yes, over-the-top bed.
And into the bathroom.
Ceiling
you have-
fan and
you can get
recess.
into your basement here. This is. Oh, it comes with a washer and dryer in it.
Well, yeah, for 260 grand, I would hope so. And the second
This
bath
is
with a shower.
And this. Wow.
Is that a one-way mirror? Can you see out? No, on the door. Is there a mirror? Can you see out?
No.
Oh, wouldn't that be interesting? Okay.
The shower is typical of the shower.
That is huge.
It's not.
No, this place is huge. When it's opened up, this is like.
The huskies would be slipping and sliding all over the place on this.
But you wouldn't
it
have-
is absolutely breathtaking. If
Jeez.
we were to live full time and just, but this costs more than my original house.
So that's it for this episode. This very special episode of the RV show
Yeah, La Mesa RV.
in Phoenix, Arizona at the football stadium.
Right.
So
State Farm.
some pretty cool looking rigs. We didn't show all of them, but
Yeah.
the ones we showed, I think, was a good cross section. There's a few that are just unbelievable.
You know, if I could get 500 or maybe $1 million, I could buy one of those Class A's. I saw some of the most stunning Class A's
Tell you
I've
what,
ever seen.
let's push for all of your friends and neighbors and all of their friends and neighbors and all of their friends and neighbors to subscribe, and then maybe we'll be able to get some shameless plug. Anyways, at
plug,
least hit
yeah.
the at least subscribe if you're not subscribing already,
Right.
and hopefully we'll get enough viewers that we might be able to get one of those.
Oh, I wouldn't count on my viewers for that.
Oh,
But
sure,
you know
why
what?
not?
But you know what? There were some really awesome rigs. Definitely do your research on those. It's like I always thought if I could take a little bit of one, a little bit of this one, a little bit of that one, a little bit of this one, and have the perfect rig. But
Yeah.
that's not going to happen. But anyway, remember also hit that bell, and we'll let you know when we post again
Every Sunday
at 2:00.
Yes. So until then, tell all your friends and neighbors.
Yep.
And we'll see you in the next video.
Drive safe.
Bye.